Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do the story The Malgudi Cricket Club, written by R.K. Narayan. Before we get into the story, let's know something about the author. Rashipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy, better known as R.K. Narayan, was an Indian writer known for his work set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. He was a leading author of early Indian literature in India. His famous works were Swamy and His Friend, The Dark Room, The English Teacher, and so on. Among all his work, Malgudi Days was the most popular work. Malgudi is a collection of many short stories. Malgudi is a small village in South India. All these stories tell about people living over there, especially Swamy and his family. Before we get into the story, the Malgudi Cricket Club, let's know something about Swamy. Swaminathan, the main character of this story, is a small boy going to school. He belongs to a South Indian middle class family. His family comprises of his father, mother, and grandmother. His father works in court and is a very strict person. He always encourages his son to work hard and get good marks. His mother is a simple household lady who is always concentrated for the betterment of her family. His grandmother is a very religious lady and she always favors Swamy and saves Swamy from his father's scolding. Swamy have a small group of friends in which Rajam and Mani are the best friend of Swamy. Now coming to the story, which is in your syllabus, the Malgudi Cricket Club. This is an excerpt from the book Swamy and His Friend, written by R.K. Narayan. This book is set in a fictional story of South Indian village called Malgudi in British India. It follows the adventures of a boy called Swaminathan and his friends Rajam and Mani. In this excerpt, Swamy is forced to join a new school because he takes part in a protest against the British rule. His friends are rather unhappy with him, but one day, Rajam visits him and tells him that he wants to start a cricket club with his friends. The two boys ponder over potential names and decide tentatively on Malgudi Cricket Club. Swamy asks Rajam if they will have to pay tax to the government for keeping the name of their club. They realize that forming a cricket club is not easy as they thought. The next day, Swamy, Rajam and Mani goes through a catalogue of a sports shop for ordering cricket supplies. Swamy, who is an amateur and doesn't understand anything about cricket, doesn't know the difference between the ordinary cricket bat and junior billiard bat, is unable to understand the depth of these kind of things. Later on, the boys decides that they will order for 2 cricket bats so that if one bat gets broken during the play, they will have another bat. So, the story ends with a letter which is written to the shopkeeper ordering for supplies. So, with this, we come to the end of the story. Thank you, students. Goodbye.